This car has auto gear shifting problem. Low speed when driving highway. When the ignition switch is in the on position or the engine is started, the overdrive off light on the dashboard meter keeps flashing. The check engine light is on the dashboard. Since this OD light is flashing on the dashboard meter, the problem with this car is that the car engine is shaking/jerking very loudly while changing the gear shift. What is the cause of this problem in the car? How to solve this problem? So watch the full video step by step. An OD light on a car's dashboard indicates the overdrive function is off. OD light on, the overdrive function is off. OD light off, the overdrive function is on. OD light flashing, the overdrive function needs to be disabled. Now I will stop the engine start. I put the ignition switch in the on position. To check with the scan computer, I will check if there are any fault codes. I selected the car model Producer Camera. First click on automatic transmission and then click on read fault code. See automatic transmission fault code P0768 duty solenoid circuit open or shorted. The reason this P0768 code occurs is because it indicates an electrical problem with the shift solenoid D. Possible causes include, number 1 a faulty shift solenoid, number 2 a wiring problem, such as a damaged or corroded connector, number 3 low transmission fluid, number 4 a clogged or dirty transmission filter or fluid, number 5 a faulty transmission control module, TCM, number 6 valve body problem. Number 1 check the transmission fluid level. To check the transmission fluid level, keep the car's engine running and check the fluid level. See if the transmission fluid level is okay, there are no problems. Number 2 check the transmission gearbox cable connection socket. This wire socket connection is the wire connection to the solenoid inside the gearbox. Now I will open this cable socket and see if there is any problem with the cable connection inside the socket. Look, water has gotten into the socket, dirty it, and there are some black stains on it. Look at the amount of dirt that has gotten inside the cable socket attached to the body of the automatic transmission gearbox due to water entering. It has become salty due to the water entering. Such dirty wiring connections can cause problems in the car, so I first need to clean the wiring connector connections. I will use this spare cleaner to clean the wiring connections. To clean the wire connector connections, first spray them. After spraying, I thoroughly cleaned and dried the 2 wire connectors with air from an air gun. Look, I cleaned and dried the 2 cable connector sockets. After cleaning the cable socket connector connection, I will now connect the cable socket connector connection. Now I will test the car by plugging in the cable socket to see if the problem has been solved. So I will now enter the car to clear the fault code using the scan computer. I have turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Now I will click on the automatic transmission. Now I will click clear fault code. The commandos of clearing fault codes were done. I will click on read fault code. There is no fault code now. The dashboard OD light is off, meaning the overdrive function is working. I clicked the OD button and saw the OD light come on. Now I clicked again the OD button and saw that the OD light went off. Now I will start the car engine and check. After starting the engine, the OD light and dash meter are no longer flashing. Now I will test drive the car. Now there is no problem driving the car. Inshallah the car problem has been solved. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you benefit from watching the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel.